ENEOS, Japan's largest oil company, will display a 2007 997.1 Porsche 911 GT3 at this year's SEMA show. It was bought at auction as a rolling shell after it was crashed and stripped by a previous owner. With no engine and a reputation for fascinating swaps, Faruk Kugay from DevSpeed Motorsports chose a 2008 Subaru Impreza STI EJ25 engine to keep the boxer configuration, uniting two companies with incredible racing heritage both on tarmac and in the forests. The goal was to create a track car. The EJ25 is 170 pounds lighter than the original GT3 powerplant and can be modified to exceed the 911's stock 415 horsepower output. To that end, the ENEOS-lubricated STI engine was upgraded with a BorgWarner EFR 7064C turbo and a massive vibrant vertical flow intercooler. It was fitted with Deatschwerks fuel injectors, rails and pumps, which draw from a Nuke Performance fuel cell and fuel system. By adding a custom exhaust system, Faruk was aiming for 550 horsepower, which will be transmitted to the rear wheels through the Impreza's 6-speed transmission with a reverse-cut ring gear and bellhousing from Subarugears in Australia, assembled by SubiWorks in Murrieta, California. With the GT3's competition future, DevSpeed sourced GT3 racecar bodywork from VOD Design in Great Britain. Not only does it revive one of Porsche's muscular competition cars, but the expansive fenders accommodate huge 19 by 10 inch front and 19 by 13 inch rotiform 917 wheels, which themselves are fashioned after a legendary Porsche design. Putting the power to the pavement, the ENEOS GT3 was equipped with extremely sticky Toyo Proxys R888R tires measuring 265/35 R19 front and huge 345/30 R19 rear. These DOT-approved competition tires are designed to give the driver full control in extreme driving situations including road racing and track days. BC Racing adjustable coilovers keep the rubber on the road, while the body shell has been stiffened with a CNC bent roll cage from Cage Kits. It was built remotely after the interior was 3D scanned by Lumisthetic and the precise dimensions sent to Cage Kits. Machine-bent tubes were shipped to DevSpeed for Marcus Fry to weld the incredibly close-fitting cage.